Flagstaff. Yeah, we're in Flagstaff. We're headed to Sedona. We've never been to Flagstaff, and it is so pretty. My goodness. We're on the side of the road. There's so much in Sedona.
So we're at the Sedona Farmers Market. What a beautiful sight behind us. Got some coffee from a local shop up here. Now we're getting some breakfast.
You
So what do you guys do in the winter time up here when it's really cold in the farmers market? You guys close down or?
No. Well, this market goes year round. It's actually, like, I grew up in Chicago, so I totally understand that question. It's actually more markets in Phoenix close in the summer. There's very few that run year round.
That makes sense. So do you get snow up here all year long? It stays in this area or does it melt? Does snow melt up here? Does it in this area?
It falls and it melts.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's wondering.
Like, it's supposed to snow up here Friday, Saturday, and we'll all go, and then it's gone. It's fantastic.
I like to see.
I grew up an only child, so I did all the shoveling and all the grass cutting.
Yeah.
Love it here. Yeah.
That's weird. We love it here too. It's like, man, it's so nice. I'm yawning. Okay, guys, we made it. Okay, guys, we made Lake Pleasant. December 21st was winter solstice.
Yeah.
And we out in our shorts.
I think it's 80.
No, sure, it's like 80 degrees. It's like a record high here. It's gonna be a record high next couple days, I think. Beautiful time to camp. So we're gonna set up camp, put you on a tripod, let you watch us, and our son will be here soon. Okay guys, we got lobby set up here. We showed you on tripod, time lapse. Setting that up, this is what we have. Brian's gonna sleep on the cot there. Here's all our stuff for the week up here. There's Sexy Mama, and there's our rooftop tent.
It's so warm.
I know.
It's warm. We don't usually come here. It's like not that warm.
Yeah, this place is it's like 80 degrees. So nice. So nice. Somebody's out in the water doing donuts in the boat.
You gotta take a picture of those pretty flowers.
Okay, we're gonna finish up here. We'll be done in a couple minutes.
Yes, I'm brushing my hair today.
Today we're heading to Phoenix, guys. We're gonna check out Phoenix a little bit, maybe get my hair cut. It's terrible. What do you, papas?
Yum. It's just a Christmas Eve night at the campground with jalapeno poppers and chicken strips. It's perfect.
Christmas dinner.
Christmas Eve dinner.
Christmas Eve dinner. Very small sunrise over there. Is it chilly up there?
It's a little chilly today. Probably not, but
Just been making coffee.
this morning I felt like Mackenzie said,
Merry Christmas, and it was so early.
Okay, I'm gonna walk down that way. Take this tackle box too. It's got my shit with it. You can do whatever you want, Mama. Oh, there's donkey poop everywhere. Okay, so let's see what we got. Look at this whole school of shad. Look, all those fish jump around there. Hey, look. Okay, here's off hooks. Some there. I have those with the weight on it too. Then the whites, I have like those big ones there, whites. And then I think I had the small white ones too, I think. Yeah, I guess I got small whites. Okay. Yeah, I don't have the whites, but I got all those. And those there. So those will I have. Now I have that. So.
Do you happen to have any bullet weights?
Okay, see what we got. Change colors here. Pumpkin looking stuff, maybe. No luck so far in fishing. Ready?
Yep.
We'll cut both ends up for you somewhere.
Could you just the one?
Yum.
Oh,
This is the end of our Lake Pleasant trip, but it's not end of our excitement. We're heading to Concho, Cholo area to look some property.
yes, I'm excited. Today's exciting.
It's gonna be a fun day, but this was our view all week. Last 2 days, they had some rain.
Take out pictures, honey.